Hi, I'm Cady Coleman, and I am one of your speakers for this year's, and the first time in person in a long time, Excellence in Laundry meeting. And I'm really excited to be talking to you. I wanted to show you a little bit about my world here. I come from Shelburne Falls, Massachusetts, and I thought being at the laundromat, which I do come to, would be a good place to tell you about what I'm going to talk to you about. This is a really cool woman-owned business in our town. And I have a washer and a dryer at home, but when I have more laundry to do or big things, that's when I come here. I like it that the tone is set right when you walk in the door, and it's not that I don't like children, but at least she's very clear here. Unattended children will be given an espresso and a free kitten. I'm all for free kittens. Okay. So it's cozy here. I can come, I can do my work. They have internet. I'm like a 5-minute walk from coffee, and then I can come. And of course, sometimes astronauts have to wash, of course, their flight suits, and that's not the big spacesuit thing. I don't get to keep those, but I do have these like flight suits that I would wear for flying, and I wear for speaking sometimes. And I've been an astronaut since 1992, and that's really, I think, one of the things that is really interesting to me is that I did this for a long time, and I did a lot of different things, 3 different missions, but there's one thing that's always the same, and that is that being an astronaut is something you don't do alone. You are always part of a team, and each of us in certain ways is the leader of the team. And I was the lead for certain things, in my career for the different missions. Because each of these patches, like this one here and these ones, every one of them represents a mission. And you see the crew's names on there, but the crew for the mission is actually much, much larger. It's all the people on the ground that are making the mission happen. And you may think that our worlds are different, but I think there's really a lot of similarities. You probably don't get to pick the people on your crew any more than I do as an astronaut. And as a leader of one of those crews, what are the things that I can do to make the mission work? Because ultimately, the mission, whether it is providing a place for the community to do things that they need to do, or going one step further in our mission to explore the universe, we have a lot in common about how that happens. It all involves people, and that's the kinds of things that I'm going to talk to you about. So I'm very excited about coming. I actually really do like to do laundry. So I'm excited about talking to everybody, and I will see you there in San Diego.